Yes, my people. We're here again, you know. MoneyRasTV. Like, share, subscribe. Well, I want your name. Things take time, and you don't know people not like wait upon time. People like get money right away, or people like get through right away, or people like get over right away. Nobody wanna wait upon time. So, may I highlight that one here. That one your name. Things take time. So, like, share, subscribe, continue people. Subscribe. Just do the thing now, man. Don't be afraid. Support MoneyRasTV. Support me now, people. Support the thing now, man. Like, share, subscribe now, man. Chow, man. I now have to keep telling you all the while, man. You don't know the thing go. It's a journey. But guess what? We have to fulfill our goal. You see, once you make your goal, just fulfill it. MoneyRasTV, we're out here in the street, Port Antonio. Loud, clear, bang!
Yo, MoneyRas.
Yo, yeah, man. What going where you there?
Step on the farm, all alone, we can't see her come. What you do to me, brother?
Yeah, what you want to
do? Tomato sucker for plant out and go and park up and feed a plate there. What about the dashing hole them? We not dig no more. We are doing it, brother.
All heap of work for done, you don't know. Yo, so what? Enough money we I get for do them things they do. Cause all heap of work that in my boss. Hard work that in money. And about things take time, you know. I don't want to hear that in money. And no more on the money, dog. Yeah? When I work and done, I want to get paid. See?
Man, come on here, sir. Come me there on the farm.
Yeah.
Calm down now, man. Me a forward. Yes, Jaja. I'm there. Oh, no. The work is gone. Yes, we in there. There, man. Bless it. You just a forward, you see me?
That me say I can oversleep, man. See, man, them all go with the warm quicker than man start.
Alright, now I gotta get to work, you don't know. Right, before the sun come out, you know, say, once the sun out, I want to fuck up there. You see me?
We mash you up, though.
You see me? And right now, like how it's cool, at the best time I like.
I know, like.
You must can knock out all 1,000 dashing hole in idea.
Well, if you can lick 1,000, probably. I don't think you can lick 1,000, but probably you might do 100.
So what you are going to do when you're
if I can come chop 2 holes, I chop 2 holes too, man. You know, see?
Alright, I go over place now. I
yeah,
do some work. I put the team before.
I go and place so you can become a charge now. You know, see?
Alright. Blessed. Yeah, man, blessed. Not poor Jack on the keyboard. How that, brother?
Yeah, man, man.
What you doing, someone?
Yeah, man, well, I look at vibes. So, I say, drink one two Jack on there, brother.
I'm come here, come hold a one drink because my head not right, you know. It's not right at all. I tell them I work with a brother here. Man make me dig do about 1,000 dasheen holding and I tell me say him nah give me no money till the dasheen them reach one level where me gonna get more than where my bargain for. Me I say yo brother them time them me nah have them patient them man. Yo, you see me? Me nah have them patient them brother. So me I come burn off of one jug and you see it. Because my head I gonna get madder and madder.
You go on, man. Just go on with it, man. See? Just go on with it. See? Cause, see now with it. I best way that. Better boss than routine, man. See? Just be calm, man. Cause better boss than road.
I tell you say, yo, I feel a waste, because, yo, 1,000 dasheen head me deal with it, man. I hard me a work in a sun in my lad, and me have to wait all long now, about 3 to 4 months or so before me can get money, brother. Listen up, more when me work, me get paid. Me nah no waiting thing. Me nah have them patient that's here.
Man, that she for reaping, not dead for hungry, man.
Dead for hungry.
Let's have you, that's all.
Man, that she for reaping, not dead for hungry, man. You work for your money, you have to get paid, man.
You got things that the boss are deal with that.
Yeah, man, me can't have them patient.
If you don't have the money, you don't work.
Yeah, man, don't work for them, man.
Yeah, that's why me don't like boss, you know. I don't work for boss, you know.
Yeah, man, you own a boss. Boss come like basket.
Yeah, man.
I own a boss.
Yeah, man, you own a boss, man.
I'm gonna say, yo, more do something different, you know.
Tonight, a Friday night, drink and smoke and feel happy. Don't worry about boss. I own a boss.
But one brother tell me, say, yo, him have a major wall, I go on, like him a build a wall, some stone wall, something. So me I say, yo, you know, more running on it, cause I say, yo, a $7,000 a day. Me I tell you the truth, blacks, if the work too hard, me not gonna manage it, you know. Me I left that.
Oh, yeah,
but me I go out there, I'm gonna try and see what I go on.
You're not supposed to have a man come do the work and then you have to go wait until when time you get the money to pay the person. You understand?
You're supposed to provide.
You're supposed to prepare.
Yeah, I provide. I have the money.
Yeah.
Right. That they can go out when the man done, you can give the money.
Exactly.
Right. Me no
So
want to wait more than
still,
time.
but they just intend to pay now.
And that's because you know while you will charge all of 50 grand to do a work and they don't want to pay the 50 grand and they now come straight and tell us that they don't want to pay 50 grand, you know.
Not sure you say, nah, get better, brother. That me I talk about it. Nah, gonna get better.
Yeah, it can be a generation
You're
and
going,
thing.
man. You're going, man. We have to do some hustling now, start.
That me I pray.
Some hustling we have to do half our own.
That me I pray.
You plant your own and that shit and do your own and thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Do some hustling.
Plant your own and that shit and do with your
And chop off all boss. We are one of boss.
Yeah.
We are a boss.
You see me?
You understand? So when a big boy out there feel like say I'm alone have money, we can't give him everything we want to.
True, man.
See? You know big and way. Not because you look for money when you have away. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We can't give him things where he not surprised.
You see?
Yeah,
I say, boy, yo, John know me a boss, but in my basket.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Boss. It's a joke, dude.
Yeah, man, the
last person me call boss, and you don't have to do with him. Can't got a quote for my money. And the boy give me work and when the boy said, please go pop down back the work. After me done work, I forget my pay and have man on to get money too.
So what you do? He might do what now?
He just have to pay 1 year from 3 months after that and still have to pay. That's that boy.
Brother, you hear me differently. Now running for our work, they like me I tell you say, one stone work. See me? Yeah, trying for. And if him a hold me out, I tell him now I'm going to deal with it pretty here, bro.
Just tell the boss say you want some job work, man. Just get there, man, chop some stone, man, by the dozen, man, to make money, you know, see. You don't want a $5,000 a day.
Who make me a fair work and wait so long? No. He might tell me about things take time.
All time.
If you know that things take time, you know, I and nobody will do no work, you know, take the time and do things yourself.
You can do it yourself, my boss.
Yeah, man, you know, take your time and do it yourself, then if things take time. I mean, man.
Yeah, me I say sexy keeper, brother. And I just make a circle, cause right now my head can't pull here.
Yeah, just go, man, just relax.
Lie down and
Relax
sleep.
till relax till I drop asleep.
Change that, man. I make that boss.
Yeah, but think
I
about,
change them.
yeah, think about all of the things that you know about.
Diva.
Alright.
Yeah, come
Yeah,
on.
man,
Yeah.
pick up yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Alright.
See them hard work a man have to do, man. I know say time, it must pay me, you know. Everything I just time. But yo, sometimes I don't like them things you start. I'm working too hard. You see me? So I'm a boy, you know. I'm a boy if I do. You know me I left the work here. I'm done here, man.